Harry did not stop his car at some traffic lights when they were red, and he hit another car. Harry jumped out and went to it. There was an old man in the car. He was very frightened and said to Harry, "What are you doing? You nearly killed me." "Yes," Harry answered, "I'm very sorry." He took a bottle out of his car and said, "Drink some of this, then you'll feel better." He gave the man some whiskey, and the man drank it, but then he shouted again, "You nearly killed me." Harry gave him the bottle again, and the old man drank a lot of the whiskey. Then he smiled and said to Harry, "Thank you, I feel much better now, but why aren't you drinking?" "Oh well," Harry answered, "I don't want any whiskey now. I'm going to sit here and wait for the police."